Okay, now in this session, we will add a tool in the workflow and we will give this ability to our AI agent that it will read the email and then it generate the response of it. So let's start. But before this, let's have a quick brief that what we have did till now. So this is our workflow that we have built in the last session. And here we have this trigger node, we have this AI agent, we have OpenAI chat model, we have memory, and we also connected a tool. So this tool connects the AI agent to the Gmail tool. And now our AI agent is capable to read the emails. And we have tested it, right? Alright, now we will add another tool. So click on this plus icon. So what we want? We want to create a draft with the response of the email that we have received, right? So can you guess that what tool we will use here? Yes, Gmail. So type Gmail and now select Gmail tool. Consume the Gmail API. Click on this. Alright, so the credential is already there now. So let's go down. So this time we are creating a draft. Note that instead of creating a draft, we can even send a response, but we do not want to do this. I want a full control with me. I don't want that LLM send any response directly. That can be a blunder sometime, right? So I want to be in a control always. And this is always a good practice. And you should also think like this. We should only give the permissions on which we are comfortable. We have seen the cases in the past that AI agents can ignore the instructions sometime. They can override instructions. So we need to be very careful about the permissions. Just in case that if AI agent even bypass the instruction, it cannot perform the action because we will limit it with the permissions. Means if we only give the permissions of creating a draft, then it will not be able to send the email. So you should always think about the permissions that you are giving to your AI agent. So what I will do that I will open this resource field and I will select draft. Now operation. So we want to create a draft. So select create. Now subject. So let's LLM decide this. Now email type. So it is a text email. So that is fine. So next is message. And now again, let's LLM decide the message that what it should be. All right, now options. So let's add one. So we will click on this add option. And now we want that it will only draft an email keeping only me as a recipient. So I will select this to email. And now I will give my email ID. And if you notice, then you have two fields here again, that is fixed and expression. So can even use the expression so that the draft will create as a reply to the sender. But for now, let's draft it to me because for this testing phase, I want to be in a full control mode. All right, so everything is set. So click outside anywhere and then go back to the canvas. All right, before this, let me quickly reshuffle this newly created node. All right, so let's restart the chat and ask the question. Please summarize the email that I received recently. Enter. Okay, so we give it a run. Workflow is started. Gmail tool is being used. And here we go. We got the response. So this is the response that the most recent email you received is from Naresh with the subject excited to integrate Gmail with n8n. And in this email, Naresh shares the excitement about finding an amazing AI course on workflow automation and successfully building an AI agent that can read Gmail messages. Naresh expresses the eagerness to implement the AI agent further. Alright, now let's ask the AI agent to generate the response of it. So write, please draft an email showing the excitement of this news. Use the signature Naresh Dobal. All right, let's correct the spelling, excitement, and all done. Now enter. All right, so the process is started. Our AI agent is now creating a draft for us. And done. It created a draft. And now let me quickly show this to you. So let's go to this Gmail account and let's go to this draft section. And here we go. So this is our draft. So let's click on it. All right, so let's expand this. So you can see that this is the recipient, and the subject line is reply to excited to integrate Gmail with n8n. And the content is, hi Naresh, that's absolutely fantastic news. I'm really thrilled to hear about your progress with the AI course and the successful creation of your AI agent that can read Gmail messages. That is a remarkable achievement. And it's exciting to think about all the possibilities your AI agent can unlock. Looking forward to seeing you that how you implement this further and the impact it will bring. Best regard, Naresh Tubal. Alright, so our AI agent successfully created a draft as we are expecting. But always remember, and that is very important, that you only give the permission on that you are very comfortable with. Like here, we might not comfortable of giving the permission of sending emails. So we have limited it to create a draft only. But for the testing purpose, I'm going to show you that how you can add the ability to your AI agent of sending the emails on your behalf. Alright, so hopefully everything is clear till now. So please give a try to the next task. Think a bit that how you can add the capability of sending the emails to your AI agent and let me know if you are succeed. If not, then do not worry. We will cover this in the next session. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.